Primetime news this evening. Teen in custody for schoolmate's death as education sector records another attack. Attorney representing Vibes Cartel starts the process to secure his release. And respected child rights activist Betty Ann Blaine has died.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, earlier this year we told you about Carib Cement's expansion project, so we'll be giving an update on that. Plus, there's a major management change to come in the RGR Gleaner Group. Those and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrew. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jordan?
Well, Archie, the finalists have been decided in the Jamaica Premier League, but Indiscipline reared its ugly head in the semi-finals. Of course, we'll get feedback on what that will mean for the final coming up. I'll have more in Primetime Sports Monday.
No words. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Not much is expected to change in the weather this week. We have dry conditions forecast for most of the area through to Saturday.
Drink water. Lots of water.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast, as you heard. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, do you practice defensive driving? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.